Hello again, friends, and welcome to another unboxing video. I'm checking out this HDMI to Lightning adapter. So this is a pretty good idea. I've never even heard of this before, but a lot of times you're trying to hook up your TV or your phone to your TV so you can show people, I don't know, pictures or something on it, or for a gaming experience. It has the instructions in here, and then this is what we're looking for right here. So this here, it goes directly from HDMI to Lightning, or Lightning to HDMI, I mean. And then we have this nice like nylon wrapped cord. Just gonna see how long this one is. So sometimes you have issues. I know I've had issues like trying to hook up my Fire TV to my phone if family's over and we want to show them pictures and stuff that we went on a hike or something, we took some pictures and we want to show it on the TV so everyone can see it. And just having like a bunch of connectivity issues with our Fire TV and stuff like that where we're trying to hook it together. So this is kind of a cool idea. It's actually, I think this is like a 12-foot cord here. So yeah, at least 12 feet long on that. I got about a 6.5 foot wingspan. So that's a pretty sweet idea. We're gonna actually go test this out. Should be able to plug in our phone and then plug this into our TV in the HDMI slot, select that on the options, and then what isn't supported is like Netflix, Amazon Video, iTunes, Hulu, stuff like that. But definitely like games, YouTube, and pictures and stuff that you have on your phone, we should be able to see it on the television. So let's go check that out. All right, here we go. So I plugged in the HDMI here in the back of the TV and just running the cord to the phone. And we're just gonna plug in the phone. See how long it takes to mirror here onto the front here. And there we go. Super fast. I mean, you scroll it as it's going the same way as it, and it's showing up there. Okay. YouTube video. Look at the scrolling is it's quick. And you can just play it right on your phone. That's really cool. If you want to share photos or anything like that, play chess on there, play a game on there. And it's all, basically, I don't see any lag here at all. So it's really pretty impressive. I mean, a lot of times if you're trying to share photos or something so everyone can see on the screen, and it takes, I don't know, I've tried to do that and the Bluetooth is messed up. You won't be able to, so everyone's excited to watch these, see the photos that you took from the previous day or whatever, and then you try to show them or stream to your, well, we tried it with the Amazon Fire Stick and it wasn't working. So everyone just finally gave up. But this, you can just plug it right into your iPhone, lightning cable to HDMI, and it works amazingly well. And this cord, I believe, is 12 feet long, so you don't have to sit right next to the TV. We can bring it all the way back here, and still everyone can watch the photos on there. So this is really cool, a super handy device, guys. I'm really impressed with the response time and everything. I thought it might be maybe a little laggy or anything. I'm not seeing any lag at all. It's just pretty incredible. So thanks for watching this video. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.